How to find liquidity zones in Forex. Welcome to the channel. My name is Nexus, and in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to find liquidity zones in Forex. I'm also going to explain how best to use them. So let's get started. In this example, I'm going to be using Euro JPY, and I'm on the monthly chart. So as you can see right here. Okay, right now you can see that price is currently at this level, and just to the left of it you can see that price has taken, or well, is about to take, the liquidity above this high. So where does liquidity reside? In simple terms, liquidity resides above old highs, in this example right here. So there's old high right here, or resides below old lows. So an example right here. So if we go all the way down here, you can see right here below old lows, liquidity, where you have old highs like this one, so short-term old highs, you have liquidity. So you can have liquidity resting above old highs, so intermediate highs, short-term highs, or the reverse, which is intermediate lows, short-term lows. So do we know for sure if liquidity rests above old highs and old lows? The answer to that is we don't actually know. We don't know if above an old high there is liquidity, but we can confirm that by watching price action. In this example, we see when price sweeps this low right here, there is a reaction above the current price when it was at the bottom right there. So let's call that what, 96.55. This move confirms that there was liquidity resting below that level. Now currently price is sitting or has tapped this high right here. We haven't seen a reaction yet. If price reacts by going below that level, we know there was liquidity resting above that. But what we don't know right now is if this is a termination point from this low to this high, and if price is going to start a new journey. I want you to imagine that price is like a car, and your car has to go from one point, which is the origin, to another point, which is the destination. Along that journey, it needs to stop and fuel up. Imagine that fuel that goes into the car is liquidity. Without fuel, without liquidity, the car isn't going to get to its destination. This is how you frame liquidity overall in terms of your trading. Think about what is the draw on price, and this is an ICT concept. Start with the draw on price, because the best liquidity zones will come from the stops between the start of that journey and your destination. So here's an example. In this price leg from this low to this high, you can see that price stops along the way for liquidity. So here's an example right here. Before this run to this destination, it taps into liquidity right at the bottom right here, as you can see. And before it ran up this leg, it tapped into this liquidity right here. So this is how you frame liquidity zones within any price chart. But in simple terms, liquidity will reside above old highs or old lows. I hope this video was helpful. Please give this video a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.